is we should add on 2. Isn't that right? To move from the ordinate 1 to the ordinate 3, we should add on 2. How do I get from 9 to 6? Well, I should add on minus 3. Okay, so if I add on minus 3 to 9, it gives me 6. Now we want to follow through based off this transformation. Okay, so we want to follow through. So the question is, where do we go to? So why don't we take this linear transformation, this what we applied to the 1 9 to get to 3 6? Why don't we apply the same thing to 3 6 to see where we go to? So we're going to apply 2 minus 3. So where do we go? Well, 3 plus 2 gives us 5, and 6 minus 3 gives us 3. So the image, okay, of this translation here, okay, is 1 9 when we translate through 3 6 is taken to 5 3. So it's taken to 5 3, and 5 3 is, well, here's 5 on the x and here's 3 on the y, so it's actually here. So actually what we have is it's taken to this point here, which is the point 5 3. Okay? So we can translate, okay, base through any point in space, okay, and we can actually translate objects, okay. So for example, let's say I have this object here, okay. Let's say the object is, let's say it's this object. Let's say for argument's sake it's this object that looks like this, okay. There, it's a triangle, okay. And let's say the coordinates are, well, the coordinate here, we've got 3 vertices, okay. The coordinates here are, it's 3 minus 8. The coordinate here is 5 minus 6, so it's 5 minus 6, okay. The coordinate here is 3 minus 4, so it's 3 minus 4. And let's see, where does this go under, let's say, a translation through, let's say, the point. Let's say for argument's sake that we want to go through the point. Well, let's say we'll actually go through the point. Here we go. Let's go through this point that's a perpendicular distance, okay, away from this particular point here. Okay, let's go through the point minus 6, sorry, 0 minus 6. So 0 minus 6. Let's go through that point and see what happens. So the effect is this point here is going to move through here, okay. This point here is going to move through here as well, and this point is going to move through as well, okay. Let's see what happens to our 3 points. I'll just fold this over here so that we can keep an eye on this transformation, okay, or this translation. Okay, so let's see what happens to our points. So our 3 points are, let's say our first point is, so this is a translation through the point 0 minus 6. Okay, so what does that look like? Well, let's see what happens here when we do this. So let's just get the 3 points in our triangle. Okay, I should have labeled them maybe A, B, and C. Let's write them down. So the first point is 3 minus 8. The second point is 3 minus 4. And the third point is, let's say, 5 minus 6. Okay. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay. So, well, the first thing is, let's say we're going through in this direction here. Okay. So 5 minus 6, it's 3 minus 4 has to go through 0 minus 6. So that has to go through 0 minus 6, okay? Now to go through 0 minus 6, okay, what we need to add on here is we need to add on, well, how do I get from 3 to 0? Okay, to get from 3 to 0, I add on minus 3. To get from minus 8 to minus 6, I add on 2. Okay? So the effect here is this, is to go from 3 minus 8 through 0 minus 6, we need to add on this particular quantity here. So the image, okay, by adding on these plus 2, okay, is going to be 0 plus minus 3 gives us minus 3. Minus 6 plus 2 gives us minus 4. Okay, so that's where 3 minus 8 goes to. So 3 minus 8 goes to minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 is here as a point. So actually, you can actually see what's that happening is that it's going in here, and it's that coming out here to be our first point here. What happens to 3 minus 4? Well, 3 minus 4 needs to go through 0 minus 6. Okay, and needs to come out to an image. Okay, how do we get from 3 to 0? We add on minus 3. How do we get from minus 4 to minus 6? We add on minus 2. So let's do that on this side. We end up with, well, 0 and minus 3 gives us minus 3. Minus 6 and minus 2 gives us minus 8. So the effect of 3 minus 4 is through 0 minus 6 is it's taken to minus 3 minus 8. So here's minus 3 and here's minus 8 here. So the effect is that this point is taken through to here. Okay, And then finally we have, well, where does 5 minus 6 go when we translate through 0 minus 6? Okay, well, where does it go to? It goes to, well, what do we add on to 5 to get to 0? We add on minus 5. What do we add on to minus 6 to get to minus 6? We add on 0. So this is the translation. Okay, 0 plus minus 5 gives us minus 5. Minus 6 plus 0 gives us minus 6. So 5 minus 6 is taken to minus 5 minus 6. So 5 minus 6 is taken to minus 5 minus 6. Well, minus 5 minus 6 is over here. So here's actually what's happening is we actually have a triangle. Okay, so this triangle here, this blue triangle here, has been translated through to this blue triangle here. Okay, all using translations. Okay, actually what this is like a reflection. Okay, if you think about it here. Okay, well, it's not really a reflection because actually A, B, C, let's say if they were A, B, C, this now is A. Okay, this now is B, and this now is C. So it's like a reflection, and then it's like another, it's like a let's say a reflection and then a rotation, yeah, okay, which has given us sort of this particular shape here. Okay. Okay guys, once again this was Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland, and I hope that this video, another video in our series dealing with coordinate geometry to the line and concentrating on translations and translations through points, I hope that this was intuitive, and more importantly I hope that it was helpful. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.